Whoa, puppy dog.
Okay. You get it here. You better come light yours.
Twirl them, do something instead of holding them. There you go.
Where'd the puppy go?
He ran off.
It's Kimber Money. Says on the tag. Trish, give the camera to Trish and she'll take a picture of it.
Okay. Trish.
You take a picture of me and Cody.
Ow.
Press my kid.
Oh my God.
Trish, just press the one where it has the little camera. Just press that button. Try it in the middle.
Right in more. Do it, Cody.
Do it. Hurry, it's gonna go down. Come on, hurry.
We have another package.
Kind of late. Didn't work.
We have another whole package.
Okay. It's in the background.
I'm dead. I'm out.
We're legit.
Look at Denise. She's gonna go. We got it lit finally after we got one lit. Then we lit off of mine.
Here, Mom.
Hurry, go get lit off
Here,
one of
Mom.
theirs.
I'm out. Mine's almost done, so hurry. Look, I'm out.
There you go. You're lit, Denise.
Mine has a pretty one. Wait.
Pretty.
What color was that one, Denise?
I don't know.
It wasn't a color.
I think they're all the same color.
That was a different brand.
This one's green.
I don't know where the package is now. Here's the
Oh wait, I got green. Max was green too. Well, Max was green. I think if you do that.
Hey, Emily, you want to go pop these down here?
Mine's orange. No. I think mine's
I had the orange one, I think.
I had a blue one, but it looked green.
I had
Those
the
aren't
nice
it.
one.
Okay, I'm just making sure you realize that.
Go get a wand.
Wait.
Yeah, it's really loud out here. Everybody will get a late pop.
Shut up, baby.
Don't call me baby. There you go. Those were good. Mom, you know if you take your camera and do a picture, did you get it going in the
I got mom's.
Did you?
Yeah, this is the last package.